What if I told you there's a bird that can fly for years without touching the ground? Meet the mighty albatross. With their massive wingspan, up to 11 feet or 3.3 meters, albatrosses use the wind to glide for thousands of miles without flapping their wings. Some albatrosses can stay in the air for up to 6 years before landing. They even sleep while flying. The only time they come to land is to breed and raise their chicks. Other than that, they own the skies. The albatross, nature's ultimate long-distance traveler. What's the coolest bird fact you know? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing animal stories. Subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts.